honourable members, I want to direct the Attorney General to move to court immediately and get this stupid order vacated.
After Speaker Rebecca Kadaga ordered the vacating of Deputy Chief Justice Stephen Kavuma's order, halting the debate and inquiry of 6 billion shillings bonus payout to government officials, senior constitutional lawyer Professor Fredrick Ssempebwa has weighed in on the standoff between the judiciary and Parliament. Ssempebwa says if he was a judge, he would have cautioned the intention of the application of both the petitioner Eric Sabiti and the Attorney General's office. Ssempebwa says he wouldn't have granted the order on grounds that the Solicitor General Francis Atoke, who litigates on behalf of the Attorney General, is party to the group that received the 6 billion shillings. According to the list of those who benefited from the kitty now referred to as the Golden Presidential Handshake, Francis Atoke received 234 million shillings.
So it involves a bit of conflict of interest for the same Solicitor General to appear as if he is defending this matter. And the public, me as a lawyer, but the public generally would not believe that this is genuine litigation.
With over 40 years of experience in constitutional matters, Ssempebwa says with the separation of powers among the three arms of government, it's not lawful for the judiciary to interfere with the legislative role of Parliament.
But the judiciary can very rightfully interfere to determine the legality of outcomes from the legislative process of Parliament. That is, acts of Parliament. But it will be very rare, in very rare circumstances, that the judiciary will intervene and say, please don't discuss matters of policy.
Despite this stand, Ssempebwa argues that Parliament must abide by Kavuma's order despite it being toxic.
When a judge issues an order, it's a lawful order for the time being until it is set aside either by the same judge or by another panel of judges.
Many people have condemned the persona of Kavuma, but Ssempebwa holds a different opinion.
Judges act under various circumstances, some of which might not be known to us. A judge might consider that if parties have consented, probably they did, I have no alternative but to grant the order. If you and me have a dispute and we go to the judge and say we have consented, these are the terms, the judge normally has no alternative but to grant the order.
Justice Kavuma has in the past 5 years issued some of the most controversial court orders. In March 2014, Justice Kavuma single-handedly issued an order blocking Kampala Lord Mayor Elias Lukwago from reoccupying his office at City Hall. In April 2016, the same judge issued an interim order stopping the Forum for Democratic Change Defiance campaign. In August 2016, Kavuma issued an interim order stopping the criminal proceedings against the Inspector General of Police Kale Kaihura before marching the Chief Magistrate's Court. Kaihura was facing court over beating of FDC supporters. Herbert Ziwa, NTV.